welcome to episode number 83. Hi everyone, this is Sangeeta here. Hope you all are doing great in your life and welcome back to another show of Rise of Inspiration with Sangeeta. I'm your host for this show. I'm a mindfulness and motivational wizard and an NLP practitioner. This podcast is all about helping you to get your life to the second level and to make one step towards your success. Click on any episode, I'm sure that your life will not be the same. And today we are gonna see an inspirational story which will make you to chase your dream and to get a fresh energy. If you are new to this podcast, my mission is to create people believe in themselves and accept themselves the way they are. My core values is that I am a self-motivated person and I want every individual to be self-motivated and accept them the way they are. Hashtag remove your label is my mission through this podcast. Remove all the label that is people have put it on you. So no worries and no hurdles. I have learned from my life that only one thing do good and spread happiness across the world. Let's dive into today's episode and let's see who is that inspiration person who had shook the whole world up. Before going to the podcast, I will just ask you some few questions. Do you ever felt that your dream is useless? Do you ever felt that when you are going to chase a dream, when you are going to work on the dream, there would be many rejections? Do you face in your life that there is so many negative words across you to achieve that goal, which is impossible for others but possible for you, but still you feel that there is a lack of motivation? Do you believe that there is always a dream and it can be fulfilled? Today we are going to talk about an international beautiful author, J.K. Rowling. What is a great values that we can take it from her life, and what is that she inspires a lot of people? What is the core value that she has? She wrote such a beautiful book, Harry Potter, and all the 4 series. Amazing series those all are. But her story is not so easy. She felt very depressed when her mother died and she was just age 25. Even her mother did not know that whatever you can, she was a good writer. Even though her mother do not know that she was a writer. So learning from this, the first learning that I'm giving to you, don't be so late in your life to express yourself to your family, that you can have that emotions in your life forever. So the second thing, she got married and had a daughter, but the marriage did not long last. She got divorced. Being a single mother, facing so much problem, she never lay down, she never bent down for her dreams. She always believed that let's chase a dream and let's write a book. She worked hard day and night to write that book. Here is my second learning to you all. Even if there is any difficulties out there, take time for your dreams always. Third, being jobless, being poor, being homeless, being single parent. She strived to do her work. She kept on writing. And also, not that, she was being rejected by 12 other publications. The best of her dreams, the best of her imagination about the Harry Potter. The best of the imaginations. Or she didn't have even a money to type it out. And she has written a manual script and given to all the publications. Do you believe that this can also be one of the things which can change your life? So the learning from here that your resources are the best. Use your resources at your best. People just complain about that I do not have this thing, I did not have that thing, so I can't do it. Please stop giving reasons and work on your dreams. This is my third learning for you all. Later on, her book got selected by London publishers and got a second chance to go ahead with it. What can you all feel about that? Where's the point is? She has sold now 400 million copies, faced rejections in her life. You can imagine 12 publications rejecting your book. You will feel that you're gonna write anymore. But she still kept on writing, kept on imagining, because if you're frustrated for 2 minutes, do you feel you can imagine? But still she did that. So my fourth learning to you all is, keep your dream alive and dream big and keep on chasing your dream. Your rejection is just a part of your life. You need to face it. You need to face it very aggressively. Rather than just leaving it out, take it a challenge and move ahead. Dreams and passions made her keep growing, and she, in spite of having that rejections, she worked hard for her craft. And that's my fifth learning with you all. Being a single mother, she made her vision very clear. She made her purpose very clear. So have dream, passion and vision in your life to help someone, to make some impact in the world, to create some impact. Today she is one of the most richest person. She has more than $1 billion. But this $1 billion is worth for her because she had more struggle in her life. If you believe you can do it right now. And this is the best time to do it. She's also in the top earning, but I feel that she deserves it. And if the person deserves, and one more, a bonus tip like learning is for you all is, whenever you go for your passion, whenever you go for your purpose, money will just flow in like anything. So help others, have passion. Think one thing today, that what you can create different for this country, and do that. Hope you enjoyed this episode, and please do share with your family and friends. If you are listening in YouTube, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon so that you will get all the notifications when anything has been updated or uploaded. I request you all also to share your learnings in the comments, that what are your major learnings all about. Hope you enjoyed it. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.